today's project, I will be making a simple piece of Halloween decor. For this craft, I use a skull bucket, flowers, and a floral foam piece. Use your glue gun and secure the foam piece to the bottom of the bucket. Trim the flowers and insert them into the foam, filling the bucket. You can use any flowers you choose. I happen to have these mint colored flowers left over from a previous project. Add to your Halloween space and this craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.